Hey guys, it's Sarah Joy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about our kitchen cabinets. I painted them over a year ago, and today I'm going to show you how they've stood up to the test of time. So if that sounds good to you, let's get into it. If you're new here, I wanted to take a second and tell you what my channel is about. I make a video every single Tuesday that is either taking you behind the scenes on a project that I'm doing around my house, or I come on and share tips with you of how to bring joy into your spaces. So if that sounds good to you, make sure that you hit subscribe so that you don't miss a video when they come out every single Tuesday. Like I mentioned before, a year ago when we were first moving into the house, we decided to paint all of our kitchen cabinets. They were a darker cherry kind of wooden color before, and I wanted something to make the space feel more modern. Although we did contract out some projects that I didn't feel comfortable with doing myself, like the countertops and the backsplash, I decided to take on this project of painting the cabinets myself. I thought it was something that I could do and actually save a lot of money on. If you're interested in doing this project yourself, I actually have another video that I'll link that will show you my entire process, what I used, how I did it, and basically a whole how-to video if you're wanting to take on this project yourself. But in full transparency on the DIY front, I wanted to show you how it's holding up to the test of time. Our kitchen is probably the most used space in our home. We cook pretty much every single meal here every single day. So we're not like gingerly walking around and not really using the cabinets. We're definitely using them constantly. And so everything that you'll see here has definitely been put to the test, I would say. So let's get started and let me show you a recap of how the cabinets are holding up. So let's start with our most used cabinets and drawers. This is in the island right in the middle of the kitchen. So this is where we get all of the appliances and then all of the silverware and cleaning towels for the house. So there's just one nick inside of this drawer, and I actually don't think it's a lot of wear. I think it's probably just from it sticking to something when it was drying. You can see on the other one, it does not have any scuffs on it at all on any of the sides. And then right inside this cabinet, you can see there is another two little scuffs. One of them is from me sliding the cutting board in and out, so that's what caused that one. And then again, just like pulling out bulky appliances, that's what scuffed the other one. Moving on to our other upper cabinets, these all look, I would say, flawless except for one little spot. And again, I don't think this one came with wear because there's actually nothing on this side of the kitchen, and it really doesn't come into contact with anything. So I've got to say, this is probably just something that happened while putting them up. I'm not really sure. But that is the only spot that I've seen. And there's another matching one down here on the drawers. Again, not really a well-used drawer. So there's just that one little spot. Going through the other parts of the kitchen, this one right next to the stove, and then again, this one right next to the coffee bar area, you'll just see it's all held up just perfectly. No spots. It also cleans really well. This is right next to the stovetop and the microwave. Again, no scuffs whatsoever and no scuffs on the inside. So it's turned out amazing and held up really well. So all in all, I think these cabinets have held up fabulously over time. I definitely think that the ingredient to success was the paint that we used. I really couldn't recommend this paint more. I think everything that I've put it on has just held up so well. So although the paint is pricier, I definitely think it's worth it. And if you're thinking about doing a project like this on maybe your bathrooms or your kitchen, you're already saving thousands of dollars by doing it yourself. So investing in a quality paint really does make sense in this front. And it also is technically water-based, so you're not going to have all of the fumes and all of the chaos that comes along with doing an oil-based paint. And so I really love this stuff. Again, it is the Sherwin-Williams Urethane Emerald paint. We got semi-gloss, I believe, and I think it turns out just absolutely incredible. So definitely look for that one. If you're thinking about taking on this project in your home. And once again, if you're thinking about painting your cabinets, make sure to check out my video so that you can get walked through all of the steps and really be set up for success whenever you take that project on. Before the end of this video, I wanted to take a second and invite you to be a part of my course. It's called Attainable Aesthetic, and it is a digital course that you can access anytime, and it will walk you through styling your home no matter your budget. I'll help you really define your design style and pick everything from the paint colors to the wood choices to the furniture styles that you need for your home, and then we'll walk through how to do it with the budget and even the things that you already have. So I'll show you how to use what you already have and restyle it. I'll show you how to thrift and really find a diamond in the rough to bring into your home at a much lower price. And then I'll also show you how and where to shop for quality items at a fraction of the cost. So you'll really be doing yourself a favor by getting this course. You'll also have access to my private Facebook community where you can ask questions and really learn along the way, maybe throw out some suggestions and hear feedback for projects that you're taking on around your house. It really is packed full of information for you to be able to design your home and get it to a finished looking state. And there are so many things in store for you. I want to make sure that you get the chance to check it out. So go ahead and click on the link that is in the description below. Again, the course is called Attainable Aesthetic, and I'd love for you to enroll today. All right, guys, I will be back next Tuesday with a brand new video. And until then, have a great week. Bye.
What a wonderful